Hi, my name is Joanna Lovell from Marshall Electronics. We have today our brand new CV420-27X. This is a 4K camera with 12G in, 60-degree angle of view at its widest point, IP-based, excellent for courtroom settings because you can read text from super far away. We can go around and see what it looks like from the other side. Here's the view. We can zoom in very far away. Again, it's a 12G in, 4K 60. You can utilize this camera as well with other PTZ cameras in your setup. Doesn't all have to be a PTZ camera. It is a still camera, but it is obviously zoomable to 27X. For more information, www.marshall-usa.com.